Well, I got a little bored yesterday and thought, hey, this is a nice little fun thing to have. Then I wanted to 3D print it. Got it designed, made little segments as to what these things would do. Like, I also scaled this thing up to be big enough for my hand. I've also made it 3D printer friendly. Or at least if you have a 300 millimeter bed, or at least maybe like a 250. Anyways, enough about that. Let's see her go. Boom. Alrighty, so I still have some more things I'm working on this thing. As soon as I get the final touch going, I'll have the files available. And yeah, but if you want to see more updates, I'm going to be having a full video on this thing. So give me a follow and a like. And yeah, you know when it drops.